Hey everyone, and welcome back to Realty Solutions. I'm Umair, and today we're diving into a topic that can be a real headache for anyone involved in real estate disputes. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, disagreements can arise, and knowing how to navigate them is essential. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 crucial steps to handle real estate disputes effectively. From identifying the root of the problem to understanding your legal options, we'll cover it all. So if you're ready to learn how to resolve those real estate conflicts like a pro, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest real estate tips and advice. Now let's get started. The first step in tackling any dispute is to pinpoint the exact issue at hand. What's causing the disagreement? Is it a boundary dispute, a breach of contract, a problem with the property itself, or something else entirely? Don't just jump to conclusions. Take the time to thoroughly understand the nature of the dispute. Start by gathering all the relevant documents. This could include contracts, agreements, property deeds, inspection reports, correspondence, and any other paperwork that sheds light on the situation. Organize these documents carefully so you can easily refer to them as needed. Once you have a good grasp of the facts, it's often helpful to get a second opinion from a professional. This could be a trusted real estate agent, a seasoned investor, or even a lawyer specializing in real estate. Their experience and insights can provide valuable perspective and help you see the situation from different angles. Remember, accurately identifying the problem is the foundation for finding an effective solution. Don't rush this step. Invest the time to get it right. Once you have a clear understanding of the problem, it's time to open up lines of communication with the other party involved. This might feel daunting, especially if emotions are running high, but it's a crucial step in resolving the dispute. Remember, the goal here is not to win an argument, but to find a solution that works for everyone. Approach the conversation with a calm and respectful demeanor. Avoid accusatory language or personal attacks, as this will only escalate the conflict. Clearly articulate your concerns and explain your perspective on the issue, but equally important is listening to the other party's point of view. Really try to understand their side of the story and what they're hoping to achieve. Finding common ground is key. Are there areas where you both agree? Can you identify shared goals or interests? Focusing on these points of agreement can help build a bridge toward a mutually beneficial resolution. If direct communication doesn't lead to a resolution, don't despair. There are alternative dispute resolution methods, such as mediation and arbitration, that can be highly effective in resolving real estate disputes. Mediation involves a neutral third party, the mediator, who facilitates communication and helps the parties reach a mutually agreeable solution. The mediator doesn't make decisions but guides the conversation, encourages compromise, and helps both sides see the bigger picture. Arbitration is similar to mediation, but with a key difference. The arbitrator has the authority to make a binding decision after hearing both sides of the story. This can be a good option when the parties are unable to reach an agreement on their own. Both mediation and arbitration are often less costly and time-consuming than going to court. They also tend to be less adversarial, which can help preserve relationships, even in the midst of a dispute. When a real estate dispute becomes particularly complex, involves significant financial stakes, or simply doesn't respond to other resolution methods, it's time to seek professional legal counsel. A real estate attorney specializing in property disputes can provide invaluable guidance and support. A real estate attorney can thoroughly analyze your situation, assess your legal options, and advise you on the best course of action. They can also handle communication with the other party, draft legal documents, and represent you in court if necessary. Don't hesitate to consult an attorney early in the process, even if you're not sure you'll need their services throughout the entire dispute. An initial consultation can provide clarity, help you understand your rights, and set realistic expectations. Remember, legal matters can be intricate, and navigating them alone can be risky. Having an experienced real estate attorney on your side can make all the difference in protecting your interests and achieving a favorable outcome. Throughout any real estate dispute, it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge about your legal rights and obligations. Understanding the laws and regulations governing real estate transactions can empower you to make informed decisions and protect your interests. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic principles of real estate law in your state or jurisdiction. This includes understanding property ownership rights, contract law, landlord-tenant laws, and any specific regulations related to your type of dispute. Stay up to date with any changes in real estate laws and regulations. Laws can evolve, so it's essential to remain informed about any new developments that might affect your situation. You can find reliable information through government websites, legal databases, and reputable real estate publications. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your legal rights and obligations, the better equipped you'll be to navigate a real estate dispute effectively and achieve a positive resolution. So there you have it, folks. 5 essential steps to handle real estate disputes effectively. Remember, disagreements are a part of life, but with the right approach, you can navigate them successfully and protect your interests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Realty Solutions for more real estate advice. We're here to help you make informed decisions and achieve your real estate goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.